Imagine a world where you can talk to a machine. This machine understands you. It responds to your questions. It even writes stories and poems for you. This is the promise of ChatGPT, a powerful language model. It's changing how we think about communication. ChatGPT is a revolutionary tool. It allows us to interact with artificial intelligence in a natural way. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend, available 24/7. This technology has the potential to revolutionize various fields. From customer service to education, ChatGPT is making its mark. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace this new era of communication, we must consider the ethical implications. We need to ensure that AI like ChatGPT is used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of ChatGPT and its impact on our future. ChatGPT is essentially a very advanced chatbot. It uses artificial intelligence to understand and generate human-like text. Think of it as a computer program designed to chat with you, but it's much more than just a chatbot. ChatGPT can hold meaningful conversations. It can answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way. The GPT in ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. That sounds complicated, but it basically means that ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of text data. This data helps it learn patterns in human language. This allows it to generate text that is both coherent and grammatically correct. ChatGPT is still under development, but it has already learned to perform many kinds of tasks. It can provide summaries of factual topics. It can create stories. It can even write different kinds of creative content. ChatGPT's intelligence comes from its training. It learns from a massive data set of text and code. This data set includes books, articles, websites, and more. The more data it receives, the better it understands human language. Diversity is key to ChatGPT's training. It's exposed to a wide range of writing styles and topics. This helps it generate text that is both relevant and interesting. The training process involves feeding ChatGPT with text and asking it to predict the next word. Through repetition and feedback, it learns to generate coherent and grammatically correct sentences. This process is similar to how humans learn language. We are exposed to language from a young age. Over time, we learn to understand and speak our native tongue. Similarly, ChatGPT learns by processing vast amounts of text data. ChatGPT has gone through several versions. Each iteration brings improvements and new capabilities. Early versions focused on generating text. Later versions became more sophisticated. They can now translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. One of the key improvements is its ability to understand context. Earlier versions struggled with maintaining coherence over long conversations. Now, ChatGPT can remember previous interactions. This allows it to provide more relevant and engaging responses. The development of ChatGPT is an ongoing process. Researchers are constantly working on improving its accuracy, fluency, and capabilities. As more data becomes available and algorithms are refined, we can expect even more impressive advancements in the future. Section 5. Master of Many Trades. Exploring ChatGPT's capabilities. ChatGPT is a versatile tool. It can perform a wide range of language-related tasks. Need a translation? ChatGPT can translate between multiple languages. Want a summary of a long article? ChatGPT can provide you with a concise overview. Need help writing a poem or a story? ChatGPT can assist you with your creative endeavors. One of its most impressive capabilities is code generation. ChatGPT can understand and generate code in multiple programming languages. This has significant implications for software development and other technical fields. Imagine a world where you can simply describe what you want your software to do. Then ChatGPT generates the code for you. This is the power of ChatGPT. It democratizes access to complex tasks. It makes technology more accessible to everyone. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to explore the capabilities of AI, ChatGPT has something to offer. Section 6. ChatGPT in Action Real-World Applications. ChatGPT is not just a theoretical concept. It's being used in various industries to solve real-world problems. In customer service, ChatGPT can power chatbots that provide instant answers to customer queries. This reduces wait times and improves customer satisfaction. In education, ChatGPT can assist students with their assignments, provide personalized learning experiences, and even grade essays. It can also help teachers create engaging lesson plans and automate repetitive tasks. The potential applications of ChatGPT are vast and constantly expanding. From healthcare to finance, ChatGPT is transforming the way we work and live. As the technology matures, we can expect to see even more innovative and impactful applications emerge. Section 7. The Ethics of AI, Addressing Concerns. While ChatGPT offers numerous benefits, it also raises ethical considerations. One concern is data privacy. ChatGPT learns from vast datasets, which may contain personal information. It's crucial to ensure that this data is handled responsibly and ethically. Another concern is bias. ChatGPT's training data may contain biases reflecting societal prejudices. This could lead to biased outputs, perpetuating harmful stereotypes. Researchers are actively working on mitigating bias in AI systems. It's important to remember that ChatGPT is a tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's our responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically. Open discussions about AI ethics are essential to ensure that this technology benefits humanity. Section 8. Accessing the power of ChatGPT. Accessing ChatGPT is easier than you might think. Several platforms offer access to this powerful language model. OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT, provides access through its website and API. This allows developers to integrate ChatGPT into their own applications. There are also third-party applications and websites that utilize ChatGPT's capabilities. These platforms offer a user-friendly interface for interacting with ChatGPT. You can simply type in your questions or requests. ChatGPT will respond in real time. Whether you prefer a web-based interface or a dedicated application, there are multiple ways to experience the power of ChatGPT. As the technology becomes more widely adopted, we can expect even easier and more accessible ways to interact with AI. Section 9. The Future of Conversation Advancements and Innovations. The development of ChatGPT is an ongoing journey. Researchers are constantly working on improving its capabilities and exploring new frontiers in conversational AI. One area of focus is enhancing ChatGPT's understanding of context and emotions. Imagine a future where ChatGPT can not only understand the words you say, but also the emotions behind them. This would enable more empathetic and nuanced conversations. Another area of innovation is multimodal AI. This involves combining language processing with other AI capabilities, such as image recognition and generation. Imagine showing ChatGPT a picture and having it describe the scene in detail. Or imagine describing a scene and having ChatGPT generate a realistic image based on your description. Section 10. The potential impact of ChatGPT. The potential impact of ChatGPT on society is profound. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate, learn, and work. In education, ChatGPT can provide personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. It can also automate administrative tasks, freeing up teachers to focus on teaching. In the workplace, ChatGPT can automate repetitive tasks, improve customer service, and even assist with creative endeavors. Imagine a world where you can collaborate with an AI assistant to write a marketing campaign, design a product, or even compose a piece of music. However, it's important to acknowledge the potential challenges posed by ChatGPT. Job displacement is a valid concern. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's crucial to prepare the workforce for the future of work. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the future of communication. ChatGPT represents a significant leap forward in artificial intelligence. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. From customer service to education, ChatGPT is already making its mark. As with any transformative technology, it's crucial to approach ChatGPT with both excitement and caution. We must address ethical concerns, ensure data privacy, and mitigate bias. By embracing a responsible approach to AI development, we can harness the power of ChatGPT for the betterment of humanity. The future of communication is here, and it's intelligent, engaging, and full of possibilities. Let's embrace the potential of ChatGPT while navigating the ethical considerations thoughtfully. Together, we can shape a future where AI enhances our lives and creates a more connected and informed world.